Good day, everyone. So I'm here in front of you to tell about the Marpol Annex 1 to 3. So first, what is Annex 1? So Annex 1 is regulation for the prevention of pollution by oil, and it is the first implementation made by Marpol 73-78, one of the most important international marine environmental conventions. The convention was designed to minimize pollution of the seas from ships and entered into force October 2, 1983. So there are 14 oils that I will tackle the first. The first is oily. Oily, it means petroleum in any form including crude oil and refined products. Next is oily mixture. With any oil content, nearest land is a sea of the territory in question is established. The next special area is methods from the prevention of sea pollution by oil is required. Next is fuel oil in oil use as fuel in connection auxiliary machinery of the ships. The next is crude oil is treated to render it suitable from transportation. Next is oil tanker combination carriers and any chemical tanker when it is carrying a cargo or part cargo of oil in bulk. So there's many more like crude oil tankers, product carrier, segregated ballast tanks, double hull design, dedicated clean ballast tanks, crude oil washing, and last is large tank for oil residues. So the next one also the annex one pollution by oil. The next is Annex 2. So it is the regulations for control of pollutions by the noxious liquid substance in bulk. What is Annex 2? It is contains discharge conditions for our categories of noxious substances and requirements applicable to the construction and equipment of ships carrying such substances. Unlike oil, most chemicals or noxious liquids will mix with the water and are not easily separated from it, and entered into force April 6, 1987. Noxious liquid substances which, if discharged into the sea from tank cleaning or deballasting operations, are deemed to present a major hazard to either marine resources or human health, and therefore justify the prohibition of the discharge into the marine environment. The discharge of bilge or ballast water or other residues or mixtures containing only substances referred to as other substances shall not be subject to any requirements of the annex. The last is Annex 3. So it is a regulation of pollution by harmful substances carried in a sea in package from the form. So in a package form. So what is Annex 3? Method of method of marking the correct technical name of affixing labels on packages containing a harmful substances shall be such that this information will still be identifiable on packages surviving at least 3 months. Immersions in the sea. In considering suitable marking and labeling, account shall be taken of the durability of the materials used and of the surface of the package. Entered into force July 1, 1992. It contains regulation which include requirements, packaging, marking, labeling, documentation, storage, quanti- and quantity limitations. It aims to prevent, minimize pollution of the marine environment by harmful substances by package form or in freight containers, portable tanks, or road and rail tank, wagon, or other containments specified of the schedule for harmful substances in the International Maritime Dangerous Food or IMDG code. So so that's all. I hope you understand everything. So thank you and God bless.